that needs to dry a little bit longer. I want to put the shade tarp on first before I see where the side poles need to go. What? What? This one is longer than the one that was on there before. How the freak is this possible? 1590. 1590. Is it because I put it on the inside? Is the other one? No, then it's even shorter. Guys, what the freak is going on here? 6PK 1590. Blow me. Basically the only conclusion I can come to now is that we're missing part of this ripped belt. Like 2 centimeters or something. We still had one tape measure somewhere, right? Yes. Small one. $152, and this thing should be 1590. That's here. So actually this belt is missing 7 centimeters. But that's really weird because this like fits exactly together. Am I doing something wrong? $15.90 is 185 centimeters. 58. 158 centimeters. It measures 152 centimeters. Let's see what happens when we try to put this one on. Some people also suggested maybe it was out of alignment, but as far as I can see, all the pulleys line up. Let's see, how did we do this again? That went a lot faster. Oh, it's not on there. There we are. That should be the way it's supposed to fit. But it's stuck here under the tensioner. Our beloved socket 16. It's Luis, the guy who lives in the forest. Yeah. Okay, so now it only needs to go over this crankshaft pulley. And that should be done by loosening the tensioner. What do you guys think? Wow, that's almost. Oh, okay, got it. Wow. That actually doesn't look that bad, guys. I mean, the room here with the tensioner. Looks like we still have a good amount of space there for it to operate correctly. I was afraid maybe those two were gonna touch. I think I got it all on correctly. Exciting! How does it look from the top? I don't think you guys can see much, no? To me it looks pretty damn good. Now we should try it, right? So that might mean we don't need the other belt that I ordered. That's 1 centimeter smaller. Because this one was already, it just fitted. Well, maybe it could have been a couple of mil bigger, but not like, what is the other one? 1 centimeter smaller. I don't think that's gonna fit. So why did the belt break then? Then my best guess would be that there's something wrong with the aircon unit. Because I didn't use the aircon for months. And now on the last 2 trips I used the aircon. And it made already like a little bit weird sound when I turned off the car. Like there was a bearing scratching or something. Like for 10 seconds it would like... So maybe the aircon unit is the problem. Let's see if it runs first and how it runs. Right. What do you think? Is the car gonna work? Let's see, guys. Would be great. I would actually suggest that you guys stay here under the car a bit, so you guys can see actually what is happening here when I start the car. Okay? Give me a heads up if anything goes wrong. I didn't hear you guys scream, so I suppose it was all okay? Okay, now that it has run, I see the tensioner is a lot closer to the guiding wheel that is below it. Maybe I have to double check what you guys saw. Looks great. Let's take her for a spin. Let's not turn the airco on. Long time since I've been here. Santo André. Oh, let's go around the church. I fixed it, Zoe. Fixed it, Vanessa. Woo. Cadelis. Andeka. Hey. Andeka. What are you guys doing here every time? Andeka. Akira. Vamos. Zoe? How did she get outside? Zoe and Andeka. How do you every time get out? Huh? Zoe Houdini is back. Come on. Andeka. Andeka. Andeka.